Today we'll continue with the linear equation. Now we have question with us is number 1, 2x plus y is equal to 7. Check whether x is equal to 0, whether 0 comma 7, number 2 1 comma 3, number 3 3 comma 1, 4 2 comma 2 are solution of equation. Solution of equation means whether these are the values of this equation or not. So equation was 2x plus 4y is equal to 7. Number 1, 0 and 7. We will substitute the value. This value represent x and this value, and it should satisfy the equation, meaning by left hand side should be equal to right hand side. So 2 into 0 plus 7 should be equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. Therefore 0 and 7 are solutions of equation. Now second value 1 and 3. 1 and 3 equation was 2x plus y is equal to 7. We will substitute the value. 2 into 1 plus 3 should be equal to 7. So this is 5 is not equal to 7. Therefore 1 and 3 are not solutions of equation. Third value is 3 and 1. Now x is 3, equation was 2x plus y is equal to 7. 2 into 3 plus 1 should be equal to 7. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So right hand side, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore 3 and 1 are solutions. Fourth is 2 and 2. Equation was 2x plus y is equal to 7. So it is 2 into 2 plus 2 should be equal to 7. 6 is not equal to 7. Therefore 2 and 2 are not the solutions of, or not the solution of equation. Now we have another question is 3x plus ky is equal to 5. Find the value of k when x is equal to 1 or y is equal to 2 are solution of equation. So 3 into 1 plus k into 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2k is equal to 5. 2k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 is the answer. Another question. 3x plus 4y is equal to 3. Find the value of k when k and 1 are solution of equation. So now in place of x we have k. So 3k plus 4 into 1 is equal to 3. 3k is equal to 3 minus 4. 3k is equal to minus 1. K is equal to minus 1 by 4. Meaning by you can get in fraction also. It is not necessary that all the time to come that you will get the value in integers only. Similarly, you can get the two equation also sometime to draw. Like you have question 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0, comma x plus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. draw graph. When you have two equations, that means you have to draw the single graph, two graphs on a single graph. First is y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Y is equal to 7 minus 2x. We will make the box. Now we have practice. We'll do mentally. We'll put the value of x here. If x is 0, it becomes 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. If x is 1, 2 into 1 is 2. 7 minus 2 is again 5. If x is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Second equation was x plus 3y is equal to 11. X is equal to 11 minus 3y. So now we will substitute the values of x and y. Y we will substitute. If we substitute y as 2, 3 2s are 6, 11 minus 6, 5. We put 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 11, 2. If we put 4 3s are 12 minus 1. So we can draw the graph of this on graph paper. X-axis, y-axis. We'll put the point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 0 and 7. x1, y5. x3, y2. Sorry. x2, y3. x0, y7. 6 and 7. Right? So it will be x2, y3. So on a graph paper, it will come exactly. It should be in plain paper or a copy. You will find it a bit difficult, but no, not so much. So equation was 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. That is mandatory to write to know that which equation is representing which line and which line is representing which equation. Now we'll go for the second line. x5 y2. x5 y2. x5 y2. 5 and 2. Then x2 y3. x2 y3, same point we have x minus 1 and y 4. So we'll draw the line. So they are intersecting now. Where they are intersecting, where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Sometimes he says that find where they are intersecting. They can intersect. When you have these two equations, these are the two equations, then the solution will be unique, meaning by 1. Solution means the value which will satisfy both the lines, right? So it is satisfied. Sometimes you get the parallel lines, then it will be no solution. And sometimes you get the same overlapping line, that means the many solution or the infinite solutions. So sometimes we get same line for both the equation. That means they are the overlapping. That is called the many solution or infinite solutions, right? So now we have some different kind of sums, which are the statement sums. Statement sums are